everyone, welcome to our today's video. So today let's gonna talk about some matters to improve our pronunciation using minimal pairs. So we're to go over, there are many different type of minimal pairs, and I've just chosen a few of them that are I think commonly confused among learners, and we're going to practice it today. So I hope that we'll be learning with this and you'll be ready to practice it with me. So here we go, let's get started. So we all know that pronunciation is very essential to us because using good pronunciation helps others understand you more quickly. And by using the correct sounds when you speak, others can quickly understand what you're trying to say. If you are great at grammar and know many different words, good pronunciation will help others hear and understand you even more clearly. That's why pronunciation is very important. So then, let's unlock first the first question, and the first question is, what is minimal pair? So minimal pair, it is a pair of words that have one different sound. That's why it could be confusing. It's because the sound of the words is very similar except for this one element or sound or the vowel, and usually you have these two different sounds that are fairly similar. So for example, the word pen that has a short S sound, and then the word pin that has a short E sound. Now, the only difference is the vowel sound, which is the E sound and the E sound. So, that's in the middle there. But again, when I say the words individually, I think everybody knows what I mean. But when I use it in a conversation or in speaking, that's the time that they will be confused because of the pronunciation of it. Like when you use it in a full sentence or in a situation just like this. So, when you're in a hurry and not knowing that your pen and pin are in one place, and then you ask your friend that you want to have some pin, and then you pronounce it incorrectly, so your friend gave you a pen. That's why it's a bit confusing. So it's always good to understand what's the differences and put it into practice. And then that would be the starting point of our topic. And before we proceed to another examples, so let us know first, how do minimal pairs help us? So first, there are two key points in how minimal pairs can help us. So first, minimal pairs can help us to fine-tune our pronunciation, in which we'll be able to differentiate those words that have almost the same in sound. And then number two, it helps us understand the difference between sounds, where we can accurately pronunciate the words by knowing how to pronounce it. And that's how minimal pairs can help us. So, I'll be presenting some examples, and let's pronounce and practice it together. And the examples that I'll be presenting is the minimal vowel sound of short E and short E, in which in short E, the sound is relatively relaxed vowel sound. So the middle of the tongue may lightly touch the top and bottom side teeth. So the lips and jaw are loose and relaxed. So it's E. So repeat after me. It's E. E. So that's in a short E. And in the short E, the lips are relaxed and the central front area of the tongue is in central high area of the mouth for this sound. Then stretch out your lips a little, and that's a short E. Repeat after me. E. E. So that's the short E. So I think we all know the difference on pronouncing the short E and the short E. So now, let's begin in our exercises. Then you can follow me on how to utter these words in order for us to learn. Okay? You can repeat after me. So the first word is pet and pit. Again, pet and pit. Next word is set and sit. Sat and sit. And then let and lit. Let and lit. Hem and him. Hem and him. Fell and fill. Fell and fill. And the last word is bed and bid. Bed and bid. So I think we're learning for today. So I do hope that we've learned a lot today. Then we can now able to differentiate the pronunciation of those familiar sounds of the words, and especially we can now able to pronunciate it accurately. Also, may the learnings that we've gathered today will be put into practice always in order for us to learn, to grow, and to become an effective speaker. So that would be all. Thank you for watching.